Hello, I'm Mrs. Jim. You're welcome to the classroom. In our class today, we'll be learning the AI sound. We'll learn the sound AI makes. So AI says A. Say it. AI says A. AI. 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 Make the sound A. AI. AI. AI make the sound A. So now that we know that AI make the sound A, we'll take some words with AI in it. We'll be using a letter sound to pronounce the words. So our first example is B-A-I-T. B says B and AI says A and T says T. B, A, T, bait. Our second example is P-A-I-D. P says P and AI says A and D says D. P, A, D, paid. Our next example is C-L-A-I-M. C says K and L says L. AI says A and M says M. Let's blend it. K, L, A, M. Claim. Our next example is H-A-I-L. H says H and AI says A and L says L. H, A, L. Hail. The next example is J-A-I-L. J says J and AI says A and L says L. J, A, L. Jail. Our next example is T-A-I-L. T says T and AI says A and L says L. T, A, L. Tail. And our last example is P-A-I-N-T. P says P and AI says A and N says N. T says T. Let's blend it. P, A, N, T. Paint. So always remember that AI make the sound A. Now that you know that AI make the sound A and we have seen example of words with AI, I'll leave you with 4 homework. The first is SNAIL. Remember that AI make the sound A, so use your letter sound to pronounce the word. The second is RAIN. And the third is NAIL. And the last is TRAIN. Remember that AI makes the sound A. Practice with this homework and you'll get better at it. See you in the next class.